Find question I, the square root of the number 676. Question 2I, the square root of the number 3136. For us to find the square root of these numbers, we are going to make use of the tabular method. Take down solution. Question I, the square root of the number 676 is simply that number b, such that if you take b times b, that means you multiply the number b by itself, you obtain 676. We draw our table. We are going to start by writing down the number 676 at the second column. While at the first column, we are to write down the prime factors. The number 676 is an even number. That means the smallest prime factor of this number 676 is 2. Write 2 here. 676 divided by 2 gives us 338, which is an even number. That means 2 is a prime factor of the number 338. We divide 338 by 2. It gives us 169. The number 169 is not an even number. You can see the last digit of this number is 9, which is not an even number. The number 169 is a multiple of the prime number 13. That means 13 is a prime factor of 169. Divided by 13. 169 divided by 13 gives us 13. 13 is a prime factor of itself. 13 divided by 13 gives us 1. When we reach 1, that means the division is over. Next, for us to get the square root of this number 676, we are going to group the prime factors in pairs. And in each pair, the prime factors must be the same. For the first pair, this is the first pair, you'll see 2, 2. The second pair, 13, 13. In each of the pairs, we are going to extract the common prime factor. For the first pair, we have to extract 2. The second pair, we extract 13. Getting the square root of this number, we are simply going to take the product of the extracted prime factors. That means we take 2 times 13. 2 times 13 is simply equal to 26. We conclude, therefore, the square root of the number 676 is simply equal to 26. We underline the answer. We move now to question 2I. We have to find the square root of 3136. The square root of this number is simply the number c, so that we will multiply c by itself. That means c times c. The result will be 3136. Let's make use of the tabular method. Write down the given number 3136. Next, we need a prime factor of the number 3136. You will see the last digit of this number is 6, which is an even number. That means the number 3136 is an even number. And the number 2 is simply the smallest prime factor of the number 3136. 3136 divided by 2, it gives us 1568, which is an even number. We bring down 2, we divide 1568 by 2, it gives us 784, which is an even number. We bring down 2, we divide 784 by 2, it gives us 392, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again, we divide 392 by 2, it gives us 196. 196 is an even number. We divide 196 by 2, it gives us 98, which is an even number. We bring down 2 again, we divide 98 by 2, it gives us 49. 49 is not an even number. 49 is a multiple of the prime number 7. 7 times 7 gives us 49. That means we have to divide 49 by 7. 49 divided by 7 gives us 7. We bring down 7 again. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. When we reach 1, that means the division has ended. The next step, what we have to do is we have to group the prime factors in pairs. And in each pair, the prime factors must be the same. For the first pair, count 1, 2, group. Second, 1, 2. The next, 1, 2. And lastly, 1, 2. Next thing we have to do is from each pair, we have to extract the common prime factor. The first one, we extract 2. The second, we extract 2. The third, we extract 2. And the fourth, we extract 7. For us to get the square root of this number, 3136, we are simply going to multiply the extracted prime factors. We take 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Let's perform the multiplication. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. This will simply be equal to 2 times 2, it gives us 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 8 times 7, it gives us 56. Then we conclude, therefore, the square root of the number 3136 is simply equal to 56. We underline the answer. This is how we find the square root of a given number by making use of the tabular method. If in case you have any questions on what we have just treated, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.